Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
Power BI is a Microsoft-powered business intelligence tool that helps transform raw data into interactive dashboards and actionable insights. It allows users to connect to various data sources, clean and shape data, and visualize it using charts, graphs, and reports, all with minimal coding. Power BI is made up of three main elements. Power BI Desktop, a free desktop application for building and designing reports. Power BI Service, the online publishing service for viewing and sharing reports and dashboards. Power BI Mobile Apps, for viewing reports and dashboards on the go. What is Power BI used for? The purpose of BI is to track key performance indicators, KPIs, and uncover insights in business data to better inform decision-making across the organization. Power BI is used in different ways depending on the role of the individual, from developers, analysts, managers, and directors, to everyone in between. Power BI, I will start with a blank report when you launch the application. Ribbon. The top ribbon contains most of the controls and options needed for building the report. Views. This is made up of the report view, the data view, and the model view. Canvas. This is the main design area where visualizations and other elements are added. Page Selector, for navigation to other pages in the report. Page Selector, for navigation to other pages in the report. Visualizations. This contains the list of available visualizations. Fields. This section contains the tables and fields that are available in the data model. Power BI offers a wide variety of supported data sources and connections, making it incredibly easy to connect to the data source of your choosing. What is Power Query? Power Query is a data transformation tool that allows users to connect to various data sources, shape and transform the data to meet their needs, and then load it into a worksheet or data model for analysis and reporting. It provides various features for creating reusable functions, which can be used to apply the same set of transformations to different queries or values, saving time and effort. These functions can be created from native M functions and operators and can be modified at any moment. 12 main components of Power BI. Power Query. It is the process of cleansing and transforming data and permits users to access datasets connecting from multiple sources. It is included on the Power BI desktop. Business users may view the data from distinct databases like MySQL, SQL servers, DB2, and many more. Next is Power View. Power View helps you create interactive charts, graphs, and maps. It's like a digital canvas where you can put different types of visuals to show your data in interesting ways. With Power View, you can make your reports come alive by adding colors, shapes, and animations. This feature is great for telling stories with your data and making it easier for people to understand complex information at a glance. Power Pivot. Power Pivot is a data modeling tool in Power BI. It lets you work with large amounts of data from different sources like databases or spreadsheets. You can combine this data and create relationships between different tables. This helps you analyze information more deeply and find useful insights. Power Pivot also allows you to use special formulas called DAX to perform complex calculations. It's like having a supercharged spreadsheet that can handle millions of rows of data. Power Map. It is a 3D map visualization tool to identify geospatial data on map visuals. It seamlessly helps organizations to examine the maximum sales production geographically, visualizing the demographic populations of specific regions. Power Q and A. When dealing with giant datasets, it becomes crucial to get to know the in-depth details of the data. Luckily, it is done through natural language where users may ask questions and obtain the answer through Power Q and A. Power BI data sources are the different places your data can come from. These can be files on your computer, online services, or databases in your company. Power BI can connect to many types of sources, like Excel spreadsheets, SQL databases, or even websites. It can pull in data from multiple sources at once, letting you combine information from different places. This flexibility means you can work with almost any kind of data, no matter where it's stored, making Power BI a versatile tool for data analysis. Power BI Gateway acts like a bridge between your local data and Power BI in the cloud. It's a program you install on a computer in your network. This gateway allows Power BI to securely access data that's stored on your company's servers or local computers. It keeps your data fresh by updating it regularly, so your reports always show the latest information. The gateway is especially useful for businesses that want to keep their data on site while still using Power BI's online features. Power BI Report Server is a version of Power BI that runs on your own computers instead of in the cloud. It's good for companies that want to keep all their data and reports within their own network. With Report Server, you can create and share Power BI reports just like in the online version, but everything stays on your own servers. This option gives you more control over your data and where it's stored, which can be important for businesses with strict data security rules. Power BI Embedded lets developers put Power BI reports and dashboards into their own apps or websites. It's like taking the parts of Power BI and adding them to your own software. This means users can see and interact with data visualizations without leaving your app. It's great for businesses that want to offer data analysis as part of their own products. With Power BI Embedded, you can give your customers powerful data insights within your own branded environment. Power BI AppSource is like an app store for Power BI. It's a place where you can find pre-made reports, dashboards, and apps created by Microsoft and other companies. These ready-to-use solutions can save you time and effort in creating reports from scratch. You can find apps for specific industries or business needs, like sales tracking or social media analysis. AppSource makes it easy to add new features and capabilities to your Power BI setup, helping you get more out of your data quickly. Data modeling in Power BI is about organizing your data so it's easy to analyze. It's like creating a map of how different pieces of information relate to each other. You decide which tables to use, how they connect, and what each column means. Good data modeling makes your reports faster and more accurate. It helps Power BI understand your data better, so you can ask more complex questions and get meaningful answers. Think of it as building a solid foundation for all your data analysis work. Data visualization in Power BI is the art of turning numbers and facts into pictures that tell a story. It's about choosing the right charts, graphs, and colors to make your data easy to understand. You can create simple bar charts, complex maps, or interactive dashboards. Good visualizations help people spot trends, compare values, and make decisions quickly. Power BI offers many types of visuals, from basic to advanced, so you can pick the best way to show your data and make it interesting for your audience. Data connectivity in Power BI refers to the actual process and technology that allows Power BI to connect with and retrieve data from various sources. It's about how Power BI establishes and maintains these connections, including features like real-time connections, scheduled refreshes, and handling different authentication methods. This component focuses on the technical aspects of linking Power BI to your data, ensuring smooth and secure data flow between sources and your reports. Power BI is a versatile data analysis and visualization platform with a wide range of components. From desktop software to mobile apps, it offers tools for every step of the data process. Users can import data from various sources, create meaningful visualizations, and share insights across their organization. By understanding these components, businesses can use the full potential of Power BI to analyze trends, make informed decisions, and drive growth. Frequently asked questions. 1. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics tool by Microsoft that allows users to visualize and share data insights. It transforms raw data into interactive reports and dashboards, enabling better decision-making across organizations. 2. What are the main components of Power BI? The main components of Power BI are Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile Apps, Power Query, and Power Pivot. These work together to help users create, share, and view data insights. 3. What are the elements of a Power BI report? Elements of a Power BI report include visualizations, charts, graphs, data sources, filters, slicers, and pages. These components work together to present data in an interactive and insightful manner. 4. What are the 3 components or 3 basic elements of Power BI? The three basic elements of Power BI are Power BI Desktop for creating reports, Power BI Service for sharing and viewing online, and Power BI mobile apps for accessing reports on smartphones. 5. What is a context in Power BI? Context in Power BI refers to the specific conditions or filters applied to data analysis. It determines how measures and calculations are evaluated, ensuring accurate results based on the selected data subset. 6. What are the building blocks of Power BI? The building blocks of Power BI include visualizations, datasets, reports, dashboards, and tiles. These components are the fundamental elements that make up the Power BI platform, allowing users to connect to data sources, create data models, and visualize insights. 7. What are the parts of Power BI Desktop? Power BI Desktop includes components such as connecting to data sources, data cleansing and transformation, creating data models, and creating reports, all of which facilitate data analysis and visualization.